Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure.
And today we're going to make
apple crumble.
Let's get started. We need 3 apples sliced.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
The third ingredient you need is soak 2 tablespoons of raisins in 2 tablespoons of rum. Let's mix. So we can, every single apple has flavor.
You get a buttered dish and you pour your apples, cinnamon, and rum and raisins into this dish. I think it looks better at circle. For extra, we could put in 1 tablespoon of plum wine.
And sprinkle it. Okay, now you put this aside.
Whoosh!
We need ½ cup of flour.
The next ingredient you need is 1/4 cup of sugar.
Next you need is 4 tablespoons of butter.
Then put it in. It's time to put our crumble onto our apples. We used the rectangle one earlier, but we thought it would probably look nicer in a circle, so we transferred it to a circle.
And the rectangle was a little bit too big.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Bake 350.
Looks like our oven's done. Now we can put our apple crumble inside the oven. And set a timer for 20 minutes. Remember, stand back because the heat wants to come out. Don't forget, turn off your oven. Bing! Looks like it's ready.
This is delicious. I like it.
If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up.